Good morning, class. So let's start the session. What happens is I would like you to mute yourself so that I can speak first, and if you have any doubt, you can tell me at in WhatsApp separately so that I can clear your doubts. So yesterday in the session we have studied about applying animation effects, adding transition effects, inserting sound clips. Now we will start with inserting your own sound. Now I need you to underline, to add your own sound to the slide. First you need to have to record it. While recording your sound, it is essential to connect a microphone that is compatible with your computer. Now let's see how we can do it. You have to do the same way, where you have to add a sound from the file. Select the slide where you want to insert the recorded sound. Click on the audio drop arrow in the media group on the insert tab. Choose the record audio option from the drop down menu. The record dialog box appears. Type a name for the audio recording if you want. Click on the record button to start. When you have finished recording, click on the stop button. You can use the play button to listen to the recorded sound. When you are done, click OK. The audio file will get inserted into the slide. Okay, so this is how you add your own sound. First you have to record it, then you have to upload it, similarly in the way of adding sound clips. Now we have added a sound clip. Now we can add a video clip. A video clip add liveliness to the presentation. PowerPoints allow you to insert a video into a slide and play it during your presentation. This is a wonderful feature to make your presentation more engaging for the audience. How you are going to do it? Similarly, select the insert tab, click on the video, drop down arrow in the media group and select the video from file option. You can use whether from website, you can also use clipart video, and then click on click on the insert video from file, and then locate and select the desired video file from the file, and then click on the insert option. The format and playback tabs appear on the video tools tab on the ribbon. You can format the inserted video by clicking on the format tab and selecting various format options. Click on the play button below the video clip. The video will start playing. The timeline to the play button will begin in advance. Click anywhere on the timeline to jump to any part of the video. Now we will see clear है सभी को how to insert a sound and how to insert a video clip. I understand थोड़ा सा लेंदी हो रहा है और थोड़ा सा प्रोग्रेसिव, ये थोड़ा सा डिफ़िकल्ट होता है, लेकिन डोंट वरी, धीरे धीरे सब समझ में आ जाएगा. एंड आई विल शेयर यू अ वीडियो एज वेल. मैं कल शेयर करना भूल गई थी. आई विल शेयर यू टुडे यूजिंग एक्शन बटन्स. In PowerPoint, we have the facility to link to a web page, email address, file, slide in the same presentation, as well as in a different presentation. It can be used using hyperlinks and action button. So underline please. Action buttons are built-in shapes which you can add to a presentation and set a link to another slide, play a sound or perform some other action. You can also assign action to clip art, pictures or text in a smart art graphic. Now this is what action buttons are, built-in shapes. Okay. Now open an existing presentation. Select the insert tab. You can also see in figure 5.8. You're gone to insert tab, then you are going to shapes, then you are clicking on action button. Then action button, for example, action button end option, the mouse pointer will change into plus shape. Click and drag the mouse diagonally. As soon as the mouse button is released, the action settings dialog box will appear containing two tabs, namely mouse click and mouse over. By default, mouse click tab is activated. The mouse click tab makes the action perform button its action only when it's clicked, whereas the mouse over tab will make the action button perform its action when you move the mouse over it. तो क्या होता है, जब हम लोग जो बटन यूज़ हुआ है वो प्ले और स्टॉप का है। तो क्या होगा, जब हम लोग इसको डालेंगे अपने प्रेजेंटेशन पे और उसको क्लिक करेंगे तो कुछ एक्शन होगा। फॉर एग्जांपल वीडियो प्ले होने का एक्शन या वीडियो स्टॉप होने का एक्शन आप इसमें ऐड कर सकते हो। नाउ सेलेक्ट द हाइपर लिंक। अब हम लोग इसमें एक हाइपर लिंक ऐड करेंगे। तो सिमिलरली आप एक्शन ऑन क्लिक में लेफ्ट क्लिक जब जाओगे एक्शन सेटिंग्स में, आप माउस क्लिक में देखोगे हाइपर लिंक टू लास्ट स्लाइड या हाइपर लिंक टू फर्स्ट स्लाइड, ये हाइपर लिंक टू XYZ स्लाइड। सेलेक्ट द प्ले साउंड check box if you want to play a sound when an action button is clicked. Choose any sound either from the drop down menu or select other. Now press F5 to view the slideshow. Click on the action button in the slideshow and observe the action. How you will, तो प्रीव्यू का एक शॉर्टकट होता है जिसको F5 भी बोलते हैं। Now we will do it importing data from Word. PowerPoint provides the facility to import data from other applications like Word, Excel, etc. and use it in a presentation. Click on Start All Programs, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word 2010. Create a new document. ये इसका पाथवे है, स्टार्ट पे जाके फिर ऑल प्रोग्राम्स पे जाके फिर माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस फिर माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड 2010। तो इससे आपको एक नया डॉक्यूमेंट बन जाएगा। सिलेक्ट द व्यू टैब एंड क्लिक ऑन द आउटलाइन बटन इन द डॉक्यूमेंट व्यूज ग्रुप। नाउ टाइप द टेक्स्ट एज शोन इन फिगर 5.10। टाइप्स ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर, ये जो टेक्स्ट दिख रहा है ये प्रिंट आउट करेंगे तो रिटर्न टू द प्रिंट लेआउट। सेलेक्ट टाइप्स ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर and by applying heading 1 from styles group to group on the home tab. Select system software and application software and choose heading 2. तो इससे क्या होगा, सिमिलरली सेलेक्ट एग्जाम्पल्स एंड अप्लाई हेडिंग 1, अप्लाई हेडिंग 2 ऑन सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर एंड हेडिंग 3। तो ऐसे कर करके आप हेडिंग देंगे। क्लिक ऑन सेव बटन ऑन द क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार, देन सेव एज डायलॉग बॉक्स विल अपीयर। टाइप द नेम्स, type of software, text box, say start Microsoft PowerPoint. To click on the view tab and select the slide. Now click on the slide drop down menu from the home tab. Select the slides from the outline option. The insert outline dialog box will appear. Browse the location of the Word file, types of software, select the files and click on insert. Now you will observe the new slides will get inserted and displays in the style in a text where you have applied. ठीक है, इसका ये एक बस ये कर रहा है जैसे कि हम लोग फाइल के अंदर एक और फाइल के अंदर एक और फाइल। तो जैसे हम लोगों ने कहीं और डेटा सेव किया है किसी और चीज़ का, जैसे यहाँ पर टाइप्स ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर दिया है, तो हेडिंग 1 में जो कि टाइप्स ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर है उसके अंदर 2 हेडिंग हैं, सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर और एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर। तो सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर को हमने लिंक कर दिया है ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम से और एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर को लिंक कर दिया है हमने माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड, पेंट और स्क्रैच। ठीक है, नाउ वी हैव टू डू हाउ टू व्यू द प्रेजेंटेशन। क्लियर है सभी को? ओके, you can view your presentation in you can view your presentation in different formats such as normal view, outline view, slide sorter view, notes page view, reading view and slideshow view. Most of the views button are available in the presentation views group on the view tab. By default a user always works in normal view. It is the main editing view which is used to create a design and presentation in normal view. You can add the graphics, sounds, animation and other effects to the slide as well. You can also have a large view of individual slide in the slide panel. Notes pane at the bottom and outline of the slide, text in the outline tab and slides displays thumbnail in the slides tab all at the same time. To open this view, select the view tab and click on the normal tab or click on the normal view icon in the status bar. Now outline view. What does outline view does is outline tab describes only the text on your slides in the outline panel on the left. This allows you to quickly edit the text on the slides and view the contents of all the slides at the at once. Click on the outline tab in the left panel. Now the slide styles and the text appears with the slide number and slide icons. Now slide sorter view. It displays a miniature view of all the, please underline this, it displays the miniature views of all slide. Just a second. It displays a miniature view of all the slides in a presentation. In slide sorter view, you can change the order of slides, insert or delete the slides, add transition and set the timings of the slideshow. तो ये आप एक slide sorter view में कर सकते हो. Select the view tab and click on the slide sorter, and then you will see all the slides of your presentation and a thick border around the selected area. Now notes page view. Notes page is available on the view tab. If you add notes while working in a normal view, you can see them in the notes page view. It displays an image of the selected slide along with the notes related to the slide. These notes are helpful while showing the presentation. ओके अभी तक किसी को कोई डाउट? आई आस्क यू क्योंकि नेट सभी का वैसा नहीं चलता जैसा चलना चाहिए, स्पेशली रेनी सीजन्स में. तो मैं ये कोशिश करूँगी कि आप लोगों को समझा सकूँ जितना, और अगर आप लोगों को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, कहीं पर अटक रहे हैं आप, तो प्लीज़ व्हाट्सएप मी. आई कैन डेफिनेटली क्लियर योर डाउट्स देयर. So let's now do the reading view. Using this view, you can view the presentation as a slideshow that fits within the window. You can also use this view to when you run the presentation. You can use this view while you run the presentation on your computer and do not want to show it to the audience. तो ये जब आप किसी बिग कोई प्रेजेंटेशन डालने जा रहे हो, तो एक फाइनल आप देख रहे हो कि हाँ ये है इसमें, तो रीडिंग व्यू से आप ये सब कर सकते हैं. Okay, then we have slideshow view. The view is used when you deliver your presentation to the audience. It displays the slide in sequence in full screen mode. ये जो final presentation देते हैं, that is slideshow view. Okay. Then we have to view slideshow, click on the slideshow button on the status bar, or select the slideshow tab and click on the beginning or from current slide button, or you can also use F5 key to view the slideshow. Now we have slide master. The slide master, please underline this. The slide master is an element of the template that stores information including font, styles, placeholders, sizes, position of text and objects, bullet style, background design and color and scheme. Up to that. Slide master sets the default layout and formatting of all the other slides. It controls an entire presentation, and any changes made in the slide master automatically reflect on every slide in the presentation. Slide master consists of two placeholders: slide title placeholder and body text placeholder. Then we have slide title placeholder. This is the first placeholder for the title of the page. It contains a title. You can move the title placeholder anywhere on the slide. Body text placeholder. The placeholder includes general object like text with bullets, charts, pictures and many more. तो फिगर 5.17 देखिए, तो दैट इज स्लाइड टाइटल प्लेस होल्डर, जिसमें लिखा है क्लिक टू एडिट मास्टर टाइटल स्टाइल, और जो बोल्ड में जो लिखा है, एंड देन जो नॉर्मल टेक्स्ट में लिखा है वो है बॉडी टेक्स्ट प्लेस होल्डर. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? Now we are going to see how to work with Slide Master following the steps. Open the Slide Master view by clicking the Slide Master button in the Master Views group on the View tab. The Slide Master tab appears as an active tab on the ribbon, and the Slide Master task panel appear on the left. In the Slide Master view, each slide below the Slide Master is a master slide for supporting layout. For example, if you want to make changes to all the slides that use title and content layout, select the title and content layout master slide in a pane. To check the information, just hover over the mouse pointer or any slide layout in the Slide Master task panel and read the screen tip. Click on themes, edit themes. You can edit the themes, then you can change the font as well. You can click on the background style to change the background, and you can change the text color. Click on the home tab, select the text and click on the front color in the front font group. Select any font color from the drop down menu, which you can choose anything. Remember, on the text master on the master slide is used for styling. The text on actual slides such as titles and listed should be typed in normal view. To enter and edit the header and footer content, click on header and footer. Click on the close master view button present on the Slide Master tab to close the Slide Master view.